Let's open my L'Oreal PR together. I got this massive box that says Panorama Mascara. I'm assuming it's filled with different colors. Let's see. Hiya. Ooh, look how, oh, freaking life. Lots of different colors. This is what I was hoping for. We've got blue suede, got the liner. We've also got the original. We've got burgundy cashmere. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. The packaging of these is so beautiful. We've got brown leather. Let's do some swatches. Okay, first we'll look at the brown leather. Ooh, that is a really pretty brown. It's not super dark. It's kind of like a nice chocolatey brown. Burgundy cashmere. Oh my god, that's actually so pretty. Blue suede. Oh, wow. We'll do the liquid liner. Whoa, that is intense. Brown leather. Blue suede. Oh my god, those are so beautiful. We've got the coal. So we'll do that one right here. That's gorge. This one right here. So that's kind of like an ashy brown. That's the blue suede. Super pretty colors, you guys. Wait, it's not showing up very well in my waterline. We're gonna stick it up here. I mean, I already have like shadow on, so I don't know if it's gonna show up as much. It's not really showing up against the shadow. Well, shucks. I wonder if the liquid... Yeah, I feel like this one's going to. This is actually really pretty. That's beautiful. I'm gonna wipe these off before I get them all over my hoodie. Like, this is brand new. I'm not trying to get it ruined here. Okay, we're just gonna blot the face, redo the lip. That wing is so pretty. It just adds a little, I don't actually usually like liquid eyeliner because I feel like it's just like so harsh. But I feel like that one is so pretty because it's so, like, it's not so black. You know what I mean? It just adds like a pop of color. It is so cute. I love that. Yay.